What's goody Mustangs? Welcome back to the 2019-2020 school year. I'm your host for General Sean Doria, and there's not really much going on in school nowadays, since it's the beginning of the year. Back to school night was a success. I hope you guys' parents liked your teachers, and get ready for the football game this Friday against Monte Vista. Bring it to Nikki with sports. See ya!
Hi, I'm Nick Pitts, back with the sports. Varsity football lost at Elk Grove 65-0 on the 6th, and JV also lost 33-0. Varsity boys water polo lost 12-6 at Liberty on the 7th. KROD cross country placed 14th at Lagoon Valley Classic on Saturday. Well, this has been sports. See you later, Mustangs.
Hey there, this is your new weathercaster, Daniel Silva, here with the weather. The previous weathercaster suffered from a slight case of graduation. It was a terrible sickness that took out about 150 students this past June. But don't worry, that'll never happen to us. Now let's go to the weather. As you can see, the outlier here is Monday. We're going to have some showers in the morning, but we expect that it will clear out very quickly. After that, we'll have a partly cloudy Tuesday, followed up by sunshine for the rest of the week. Highs will start in the 70s, but will increase after that up to the 90s. Fun fact, the California city with the most rainfall per year is Gasquet. It receives about 95 inches per year and is located in the Del Norte County. That's all for weather. Back to you, Sean.
Alright, what's up my beautiful babies, and welcome back to another episode of KROD Culture. My name is Isaac Ulahi, and today we're going to be talking to a bunch of students to see how they feel about their first couple weeks here at Rodriguez High School. Let's get right into it, shall we?
Alright, what's up guys? I'm here with Numit. Alright, I'm here with Terry. I'm here with Kirill. I'm here with Darian and Drew. Numit, how has your first couple weeks been here at ROD?
My first couple weeks at ROD have been new since we started on a Monday, of course. It's been something to adapt to since we've had more 6-period days. I've been having less sleep almost because of workload and stuff. But
Terry, how have your first couple weeks have been?
They've been chill. A lot of stuff going on. I feel like I'm at the top of the food chain now, honestly. And yeah, pretty much just getting my stuff done this year. And I feel good about how this year's going.
Kirill, how have your first couple weeks been here at ROD?
It's been great lately because it's my senior year, so I'm everything's the same, but then it's also different because, I don't know, you're the old one in the thingy,
Guys, how have your first couple weeks been here at ROD?
Freshman first.
Oh, okay.
All right.
It's my first year here. It's doing good. I'm liking my classes so far. Teachers are nice. School's nice. Haven't been in any trouble or anything. School's nice.
How about you?
I've just been chilling this year, from freshman year. There's a lot of stuff since you're a freshman, right? Yeah. And sophomore year, yeah, you're just chilling.
I get that. How is this year different from last year?
compared to last year, definitely a bit more harder because I'm taking a lot more AP classes. Yeah, compared to last year, I only took one. Of course, this year I'm taking more for the junior year.
I get that. How has this year been different from last year?
Last year, it was honestly a little bit more stressful, even though it's probably just the first couple of weeks. I feel a different type of energy this year. It's a lot of new kids because before it was just older kids, but now we're the older kids. So
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I sort of get that. How is this year different from last year?
My 8th grade year, I felt like I was the king. I didn't have to do nothing. Now this year, it gave me a little bit of a challenge, but it ain't hard.
I get that. How is sophomore year different from freshman year?
I just feel you already know what to do since you're a sophomore. So same thing, you're just chilling.
Yes, that's true. What are you excited for next year?
For next year, I'm excited for cross country and track because I'm planning on this year training to an extent where I can gain my muscle and speed that I need that can carry on for my next seasons.
You excited for leaving high school?
Yeah, I'm going on to bigger and better things.
Oh yeah, like what?
I actually want to go to college for directing and producing movies.
That's kind of tight, actually. That's kind of what we do. You guys excited for next year?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm
mean, I'm gonna be a junior next year, so I got like stress.
You're gonna be like upperclassmen. Junior year is definitely the hardest year.
For sure.
All right, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Isaac.
I'll see you around, Nummy. All right, thank you, Terry.
All right.
See you around. All right, I think that's it. Thank you so much, guys. All right, thank you, Kirill.
Well, everyone, that's pretty much it from the students. Personally, I feel like senior year is going to be really good. These first couple weeks have treated me really well. Not a whole lot of homework, not a whole lot of worries, not a whole lot to worry about for the rest of the year. Well, Mustangs, that's it. I'll see you on the next episode of Rod Culture.